Hi, welcome back for another tutorial video. But this time, we will learning other lessons about derivatives, which is the higher order derivatives of a function. If you have not watched some of our previous lessons, you may watch it through the link in the description below, or you can visit our channel and go to the playlist and have the entire lessons to be played. And now let us proceed to the lessons for this video. For a start, the derivative of f prime is called the second derivative of f and is denoted as f double prime. We can continue to obtain the third derivative or the f triple prime, the fourth derivative or the f to the fourth, and the other higher derivative. And we should also take note that f prime is called the first derivative of f, and f to n is called the ninth derivative of the f, which is also denoted by d raised to n y over dxn, where y equals to f of x. So here's our example number 1. Find the sixth derivative of a function x to the 6th minus x to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4. So for the solution, we take the first derivative of the function. We have f prime of x is equals to 6x to the 5th minus 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 4x. Next, the second derivative of a function, we have 30x to the 4th minus 12x squared minus 18x plus 4. For the third derivative of a function, we have 120x cubed minus 24x squared minus 18. And for the fourth derivative, we have 360x squared minus 24. And for the fifth derivative of a function, we have 720x. And for the sixth derivative of a function, we have 720 as our final answer. Example number 2, we have find the fourth derivative of a function if f of x equals to the square root of 2x minus 3. For the solution, we have first we need to rewrite the function into the quantity 2x minus 3 raised to 1/2. Then we take the first derivative of the function. We have 1/2 times the quantity 2x minus 3 raised to negative 1/2 times 2, or equals to quantity 2x minus 3 raised to negative 1/2. Next, the second derivative of a function, we have negative 1/2 times the quantity 2x minus 3 raised to negative 3/2 times 2, or simply equals to negative quantity 2x minus 3 raised to negative 3/2. Next, we take the third derivative of a function. We have 3/2 times the quantity 2x minus 3 raised to the power of negative 5 over 2 times 2, or simply we have 3 times the quantity 2x minus 3 raised to 5 over 2. And for the fourth derivative, we have the final answer. We have the negative 15 over 2 times the quantity 2x minus 3 times raised to the power of negative 7 over 2 times 2, or simply we can write it into negative 15 times the quantity 2x minus 3 raised to negative 7 over 2. And for the example number 3, find the third derivative of a function if f of x is equals to cosine 4x minus sine 5x. Now let's proceed to the solution. First, we take the first derivative. So it's equals to negative sine 4x times 4 minus cosine 5x times 5. Or simply we have negative 4 sine 4x minus 5 cosine 5x. And for the second derivative, we have negative 4 cosine 4x times 4 minus negative 5 sine 5x times 5. Or simply we have negative 16 cosine 4x plus 25 sine 5x. And for the third derivative and for the final answer, we have f triple prime of x is equals to 64 sine 4x plus 125 cosine 5x. Example number 4. Find the second derivative of the function secant 2x times e to the x plus 2 arctan x minus ln of 2x plus 1. So for the solution, we have the first derivative, which is the second 2x tangent 2x times 2 plus e to the x plus 2 all over 1 plus x squared minus 2 all over 2x plus 1, or simply equals to 2 second 2x tangent 2x plus e to the x plus 2 all over 1 plus x squared minus 2 all over 2x plus 1. For the second derivative of the function, we have 2 times second 2x times second squared 2x plus tangent 2x times second 2x times tangent 2x times 2 plus e to the x plus the quantity 1 plus x squared minus 2 times 2x all over the quantity 1 plus x squared squared minus the quantity 2x plus 1 minus 2 times 2 all over 2 the quantity 2x plus 1 squared. So for the final answer, we have 8 second to the 4th 2x plus tangent squared 2x plus e to the x plus 1 plus x squared minus 4x all over the quantity 1 plus x squared squared minus 2x minus 3 all over the quantity 2x plus 1 squared. And for our last example, we have find the nth derivative of a function 32x to the 4th plus 15x cubed minus 2x squared plus 10x plus 17. For the solution, first we take the first derivative of the function, which is the 128x cubed plus 45x squared minus 4x plus 10. And for the second derivative, we have 384x squared plus 90x minus 4. And for the third derivative, we have 768x. And for the fourth derivative, we have the 768. And for the fifth derivative of the function, we have 0. The nth derivative of a function is equals to 0, which is n is greater or equal to 5. The higher order derivatives of a function is another step in derivation in which you apply the lessons that you learned in order to arrive in the final answer or what the problem asks for. Now, it's practice time. You may solve the following problems and have time in solving by pausing the video. Afterwards, it will reveal the answer after 10 seconds. Good luck and have fun answering the problems. That's all for this video. See you on the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!